Hello traders, once again it's myself, Nathan, bring you another technical video, Setup Sundays. Now I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, so I thought I would share some up-to-date trading setups with you guys, and again discuss my opinions for the upcoming week. Now, it's been a long time since I did a video, I know. I've been busy with gym and other work commitments, and I'll be honest with you, that did set me back with my trading. This weekend, I had a lot of time on my hands to really dive deep into some technicals, and I'm really excited for the upcoming trading weeks to come. So again, hope you enjoyed today's technical analysis. I'm going to go through a few pairs, especially the Aussie pairs, as there's quite a lot of opportunities coming up this week with the Aussie pairs, especially with Australians' interest rate decision coming up, I believe, on Tuesday. Again, if you haven't already, check out the Rebirth website. We have a lot of tools and resources for any new traders looking to equip themselves with the knowledge needed to be a successful trader. Let's get into those technicals, shall we? If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Let's get into it, shall we? And look at USD CAD. So as you can see on USD CAD, monthly we did have this double bottom pattern here that kind of showed the end of this downtrend, which then led to an uptrend. So we made this higher high, and now we're making this higher low. So I got a drawn in here, this ascending trend line, got 1.2 and our third point here. After these 2 points, you can see we had this 4-candle morning star and it's bullish engulfing. So a lot of action coming off this ascending trend line. Most recently on the monthly, we've been moving sideways. So we've got this kind of triangle formation. Price is slowly squeezing in between. So at the top here, we got 2 bearish engulfing candles. So at the moment, looking at the monthly, we are kind of moving sideways right now. Looking like we're having some sort of rest consolidation period before we either drop lower or push higher towards the start of this double bottom. So looking at the monthly, I would expect price to actually push up and yet again test this resistance before trying to raise higher. Going down to the weekly chart, you can see with the same sort of thing, we're up in this sideways channel, came down, we did have this double bottom, which we came and retested this descending trend line here. Now, most recently, we have got this weekly fib, point A, point B. You can see we're still kind of hovering between the 78.6 and the 68.1 right here at the moment. On the weekly, MAs do look like they're close to crossing down. We did have a big rejection off the weekly MA last week, so the momentum is kind of driving down right now. What I can do is, because we are making these lower lows and lower highs, I can just delete this. So looking at a monthly, we do look bullish, but more weekly, we could actually put a descending weekly fib down from this point here, this lower high, down to here. And it does look really nice here. You can see we've got this double top formation of the 61.8.6. So this at the moment is what I'm looking at myself in terms of trading. You can see that I have got a live trade going down to the downside. But what I want to do, I'm going to be very careful and cautious as price reaches 130.50. So I want to very much so take profit out here. Bring my stop loss to break even, and I'm going to see what happens at this ascending trend line. We may break, we may in fact bounce up. You can see that we have made this higher low right here, and MAs on a daily are starting to point up. So I'm very cautious of what happens and takes place around this zone. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at USD CAD right now. GJ, just looking at the daily quickly, we did have a lot of bullish momentum over the mid-October, and since then we've been kind of consolidated in this zone. We do have this long-term descending trend line, which we've had this evening star, bearish engulfing candle, and again most recently bearish engulfing candle, and dropped below my resistance at 140.15. So at the moment, as you can see, I'm expecting more bearish momentum going down to retest this previous resistance here as support at 135.74. Okay, so good. Okay, so Aussie New Zealand, we've had this break and retest of our descending trend line, this orange one here, and since then we've had 1, 2, 3 tests of our descending trend line now. So what will happen? Are we going to get a 4th test and then maybe a break up to complete our fib up to 1.1, or will we have more bearish descending action coming down to retest some more previous support again? Who knows? At the moment though, I am banking on the bulls. You can see last week Friday we had this really nice pin bar rejection of these 2 key levels, and we have got this double bottom formation that's formed right here. So at the moment, it's looking like the Aussie pairs are going to be strong going into next week. If we do look at some other Aussie pairs that I broke down in my spare time over the weekend, we can see that quite a lot of them are showing signs of bullish momentum. So this is Aussie Chef. You can see you've got this inverse head and shoulder formation where we would look to probably enter on this monthly resistance here at 0.6765. You see there, if we was to follow protocol on a inverse head and shoulders, look at the arrow, put it right there, copy paste. So you see this will take us up to previous support up there. So that's one pair you can look at. Look at Aussie JPY again, double bottom, test of the neckline. We can go straight to the top here, test both previous resistance and this descending trend line here. Again, Aussie dollar, we again have prices broken out of this descending trend line quite a while ago, come down, retested it to make this again double bottom, break through resistance, test of the neckline. We make our way up to 0.7080. Time will tell. My money saying yes. And then finally, Euro AUD. Look what we have here. Move this over to make it more clear. We do have this head and shoulders formation. If we can do break out here, break the neckline, come down and retest previous support potentially. Just a quick one. Just add a big meal. Need to drink a lot of water, so far I'll just share my thoughts quickly with you guys. Equip you guys with a bit more confluences that you want to compare with your own trading, and also just have some video journaling that you guys can come back and watch in a few weeks' time. Myself, I'll definitely come back and watch and just make sure that my technical analysis is on point as usual. So guys, yeah, happy trading. Thanks for watching. Take care.